Over $55,197 in sales from 2 different funnels in less than a week. Another $11,732 from a different funnel in a matter of days. And here's a quick $8,181 banked from yet another funnel. This is just a handful of the income we've been able to generate in a matter of weeks through the power of high-converting sales funnels. And we're able to deploy funnels that makes us thousands of dollars in a matter of minutes. And we can do this as many times as we want. And the best part is, today you're going to be able to get your hands on a brand new platform that will allow you to create profitable funnels just like the ones we just shown you above, so you can start banking thousands of dollars per week. But wait, it gets even better, because you're also going to have the power to predict the future and know how much money a funnel will make before you ever deploy. I know it sounds a little crazy, but stay with me. If you like the idea of being able to create funnels that bank thousands of dollars in a few minutes and be able to predict the future and know a funnel will be profitable before you ever start working on it, then you'll want to stay tuned to this video. That's because this video has the power to change the entire course of your online business. And at the end of these 10 short minutes, you're going to see exactly how you can predict the profit of your future. You're going to see how we've been able to build the first and only artificially intelligent funnel builder that accurately tells you exactly how much profit you'll make before you hit publish. And it also creates high-converting sales funnels and membership sites in 90 seconds or less, without needing any technical skills or previous experience. And you waste zero time, effort, and money on funnels that will never convert. What could be more powerful than seeing into the future and knowing exactly how much you'll make from your funnels? It's kind of like being able to accurately predict the winning lottery numbers the day before they're announced, right? Well, that's exactly what we've decided to do in the world of funnel creation. What if you can remove all the guesswork and finally build a highly profitable funnel armed with every single data that you need to be wildly profitable? What if you knew exactly how much profit your funnels are going to make before you ever hit publish? What if before you waste any time, you knew exactly how much each product has to cost? Exactly how many upsells and or cross-sells you need? Exactly how much ad spend you should set aside? And exactly how many conversions you need to get to be profitable? That sounds like a much better plan, right? You'll never have to play the guessing game with your funnels ever again. You'll never have to hope and pray that your funnels turn a profit. Instead, you'll be armed with an accurate profit prediction system that skyrockets your confidence and your results, so you never blindly create funnels ever again. Because as I said, I have something very special to share with you on this page. We decided to create something that's never been done before in this space. Yep, we decided to not be like the other guys and assume our users will know how to create profitable funnels. We decided to create a platform that does both. A platform that allows you to quickly create sales pages, squeeze pages, sales funnels, membership sites, etc. And a platform that tells you upfront how much profit each funnel will produce, so you can focus all your energy on what will make you the most. Talk about awesome, right? Yeah, we think so too. We'll discuss more about our profit prediction and funnel simulation system in a couple of minutes, but for now, allow me to introduce you to FX Funnels. FX Funnels is officially the world's smartest page builder, funnel creator, and membership site system to hit the JV Zoo marketplace. And we've simplified it into 4 simple steps. Log into our web-based portal and choose what kind of funnel you like to create: product launch, evergreen, lead capture, webinar funnel, etc. Choose from one of our done-for-you funnel templates. Auto-predict your profit potential with our profit prediction and funnel simulation system. Optionally, edit the pages with our drag and drop editor and/or just hit publish. And that's it. You're just minutes away from being able to create profitable funnels with the smartest platform ever in just 4 simple steps. However, before you jump all over this offer, let me tell you more about just how powerful our platform truly is so you know exactly what you're getting your hands on. With FX Funnels, you can create any kind of page you like for any niche in a matter of minutes. You can create high-converting squeeze pages, landing pages, sales pages, thank you pages, bonus pages, affiliate review pages, and much, much more. You can start from a 100% blank canvas and use our drag and drop elements and editor to easily build professional-looking pages in a matter of minutes. Or you can use one of our done-for-you templates that we've built in to FX Funnels. There's over 100 professionally designed sales funnels that are ready to be deployed and make you money. But just like FX Funnels isn't your average page builder, it also doesn't have your average templates built in. All of our templates are designed with conversions as the main goal. They're designed to ensure that you get better, higher, and more profitable conversions while also being aesthetically pleasing and being easy to edit as well. You can create any kind of sales funnel you like for any niche in a matter of minutes. Sales funnels are the lifeblood of big profits for any online business. It's what allows you to turn a $10 sale into a $300 or a $1,000 sale. It's what allows you to turn a freebie offer into a profitable offer. There is not a single experienced marketer that is selling something online that is not using a sales funnel. I can 100% guarantee that. And having the ability to create sales funnels fast is vital to skyrocketing your profit. Products that have just one product and one offer for sale will have a very hard chance of ever producing a profit. We all need to have sales funnels in place to truly build a profitable business. And with FX Funnels, you can have complete sales funnels up and running in a matter of minutes. You can create any kind of page or edit any of your existing pages with our drag and drop editor. Not only did we want to ensure that we built the most powerful page builder that has some of the best templates you've ever seen, we also wanted to ensure that we also had the best and easiest drag and drop editor that you've ever used. And we truly believe we've accomplished that with FX Funnels. With our easy-to-use drag and drop editor, you'll be able to quickly and easily edit any of your existing pages without ever messing with any code. Plus, for those of you with that creative edge, you'll have the full flexibility to start from a blank canvas and let your imagination run wild with our drag and drop editor. Create as simple of pages as you like, or make them as complex and sexy as you like. You can create a profitable membership site in a matter of minutes with our unique piracy security system built in. Yep, not only do we have a powerful page builder built in to create any kind of page you'll ever need for your business, with our powerful profit predictor and funnel simulator, and our complete sales funnel creator, we also have a complete membership site creator inside of FX Funnels. Membership sites are also one of the best ways to build a monthly recurring income. If getting customers to pay you every single month sounds good to you, then this section is for you. I need to be 100% honest with you though. Creating membership sites is extremely hard and complicated. And most importantly of all, most membership site platforms leave your products and profits extremely vulnerable to privacy. Can you imagine if you invested countless days, weeks, and even months creating your product, setting up your sales pages, and setting up your membership site, only to find out that free access was being shared all around the web because the membership platform you used did not protect you? Product piracy is one of the biggest thieves of profit to us internet marketers. And that's why we decided to be different yet again. FX Funnels has a 100% unique URL protection technology that ensures you never lose a single penny to piracy. Yep, our URL protection technology ensures that no one can share the login details of their account with anyone else, which is one of the most popular ways that products get shared around. How, you may be asking? Well, the moment that your users log into their account and open up the members area, FX Funnels locks all of their credentials to their account, and it cannot be opened anywhere else without asking you for permission first. Talk about awesome, right? We could have easily solved this part of our software separately if we wanted to. It's that powerful. You can accurately predict how much profit your funnels are going to produce before deploying them. I already mentioned this before, but it is so powerful, I wanted to elaborate on it a little bit more. Just like that headline states, with FX Funnels, you can accurately predict how much profit you're going to make upfront, so you're wasting zero time. There is far too much time wasted, especially from marketers just starting out, on funnels that just won't produce the kind of profit that you're looking for. So we decided to change that. We decided to flip this part of funnel creation entirely on its head. We wanted you to feel 100% confident in the profit potential of your funnels before you even dedicate any time into creating them and making them public. We're in 2019 and artificial intelligence is booming, so we decided to create our own artificial intelligence system and build it into FX Funnels. That's where our profit prediction and funnel simulator system came about. This part of FX Funnels lets you quickly predict the profit potential of any of your sales funnels before you invest any time, effort, and money on creating the actual pages and sending traffic to it. This allows you to be as efficient as possible and takes the guesswork out of creating profitable funnels, and it eliminates costly mistakes. We are the first platform to hit JVZoo that has this type of system built in. This alone separates us from all the other page builders to hit the market. You'll be able to take full advantage of our blazing fast, unlimited hosting of your pages, funnels, and membership sites. Yep, not only are you getting access to all the awesomeness we've just mentioned above, we've made it even better by ensuring that you'll never have to pay for a hosting bill ever again if you don't want to. We'll be taking care of that for you by hosting all of your pages, funnels, and membership sites on our blazing fast, near bulletproof web servers so you can ensure that your profit pages never have any downtime. Plus, whichever plan you decide to go with below, you'll be getting unlimited hosting for all your sales pages and funnels. Talk about awesome, right? And as a special bonus for joining us today, you'll be unlocking access to our marketplace. Yep, we built an entire marketplace right into FX Funnels, which will allow you to make a profit instantly by selling the funnels you create. In a matter of minutes, you can create a new funnel and instantly sell it via our marketplace. Plus, you'll be able to sell it for whatever price you like and keep 100% of the profit for yourself. We were planning to sell this feature on its own as an additional upgrade offer. And because of how much profit you'll be able to make by instantly selling your funnels, we could have easily charged $197, $297 to unlock our marketplace. However, you're getting it as a 100% free bonus today. As you can see, we've made FX Funnels to be the ultimate profit-producing machine. The only thing left to cover is, how much is FX Funnels going to cost me? If you've made it this far, that's probably what's going through your head, right? Well, as you can see, we have left no stone unturned with the creation of FX Funnels. We truly plan on making this the best page builder, funnel creation, and membership site system on the market. And after this initial charter member launch, we will be taking FX Funnels into the recurrent payment model. we could easily be charging $47 a month, $67 a month, even as high as $197 a month or more to get access to just the basic features of FX funnels. However, it is our grand opening, which means you get first dibs on what will be the most powerful and the go-to platform for creating high-converting sales pages, sales funnels, and membership sites on the market. And to celebrate, we're kicking things off with a very special charter member blowout sale with no monthly fees and the heavily discounted price you see below this video. Plus, we have a 100% risk-free guarantee so you can have full confidence in joining FX Funnels today. We want you to take FX Funnels for a test drive for a full 30 days. And if you're not 100% satisfied with how easy and simple it is to create sales pages, sales funnels, and membership sites, then just shoot us an email and we'll give you a full refund. Here's what you should do now. Check out the full demo video that we have posted on this page. Check out the exclusive bonuses that you'll be securing as a grand opening member. And check out the 6 ways that you can profit with FX Funnels today, which we also have posted below. Check out all the other amazing features we have built into FX Funnels that we weren't able to cover in this video. And when you're done with that, click the button below that corresponds to the package that works best for you.